Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing stomach massage round. So the stomach massage series has 4 parts. I will film each one separately and then film one together so you have all of them. It's a complicated exercise, but it's also like super awesome and super telling. So you put 3 to 4 springs on traditionally for this. If you're struggling with that, then go to 2, focus on the form, and then put 3 to 4 on. But whatever you do for footwork, you'll do for this. You want your sticky pad as close to the edge. I'm really tall. The closer to the edge, the more I lose my form. So it is okay to be further back, but just know that you need to work on getting yourself closer. So don't just go, oh, I'm slaying this. When you feel you're slaying it, move closer. All right. So hands on the front, elbows wide, press out, lower the heels, lift the heels, come all the way in. Now I have to work on keeping my heels up when I come all the way in. But why do I lower them? Because if I don't lower them, then I lower my spine. But what if I lift them and my spine? You do 5 to 10 of these, depending on where you are in your practice. The more advanced you are, the fewer you do. The more you're still learning it, the more you do. And then you would go from this someday, if you're on 4 springs, just taking a spring off and reaching your arms back and going right into the next one. All right, there is another fun way to get into this exercise. If you are advanced and you have the flexibility and mobility to set this up, you could lie down and then place your feet on the foot bar, arms up, roll up to sitting, and then go right into it. So when I do that, my booty is way close to the edge, but you can see how much I'm fighting for my form. So again, I go back a little bit, work on strengthening the flexion of my body, and then I do this. It's a great place to focus on working your whole body together. The flexion point is not choreography. It's there to connect you more to your center, to your outer hips, connecting that flexion point to deepening your practice. So don't throw it away, right? Also, only lower as much as your heels can stay together and that your whole ball of your foot stays on there. After this, I'm going to film the reach back. So if you're wanting to know how the transition goes, I'll do it in that video as well. And then also we'll continue on with all 4 parts of the stomach massage series. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video from us. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.